Hey dancers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing something a little bit different. I want to talk to you guys about stage makeup. So today I'm rocking my Aurora stage makeup look with my new makeup haul with a brand that I'm absolutely obsessed about. It's called Graftobian. And if you haven't heard of it, it is absolutely the best makeup that you guys need to get for stage. When I was on the cruise ship, I would, apply my makeup before show and then go out, sing, dance, sweat, and then run back for a costume change and notice that my makeup was already running. We would do, on average, sometimes I think 2 to 3 shows a night, and I was reapplying makeup constantly throughout that night. And I wish that I had something like what I found right here, because this stuff through my shoots, I have done it the last 2 weeks through shooting my new courses, and literally I am drenched in sweat by the time I'm done shooting these courses, you guys, and my makeup is staying, it's staying. And I will tell you this, I formerly shopped at Sephora and Ulta, and these prices, they're not actually that different at all. And you're getting high quality stuff. I also want to say that when I performed on cruise ships, I had the worst complexion in my life. So I was caking on makeup. I didn't know how to do my stage makeup properly, so that was a huge thing there. And no one was there to teach me like, hey, this is how you're going to do makeup for ballet. And you want that luster in your skin, but you also don't want to look like a sweaty mess. And you want your eyes to pop. You want everything to be very, boom, vivid, bright colors, and your face should reflect that too. Your face shouldn't look like mud. So for me, Graftobian has checked all the boxes. It's high quality, long lasting, durable, and it has a beautiful finish, I think. Okay, I want to dive into my haul and show you guys some of what I got that I used to create this look right here for a beautiful, soft Aurora look. This is the Graftobian HD Glamour Cream, which I used for my contouring, and I used Lady Fair right here, right in my highlight, and then brought it down through my nose and on my chin, and I took the darkest color to go around my jaw. So I really love a strong jawline, and I think that if you don't contour your jaw when you're on stage, your neck kind of just melts in with your jaw. And if you're doing something where you're maybe not in the most flattering position, those stage lights hit you and they just melt you out. But this is really, really nice. I love the definition that it's giving my jaw. I also took the yellow highlight and this sunrise flush, and I put it all over my lid before I applied my eyeshadows. So let me go to your eyeshadows next. Now I've got 2 palettes here that I grabbed, and this one's the one I used today. And this one, I found this and I think it's just like amazing colors. You guys, look at these colors. They pop so bright, and I'm so excited to use this. So I have an idea to do a Queen of Hearts look with this palette next. Anyway, so back to the look that I'm rocking right now. This is the Graftobian Fantasize Palette 2. It's a metal palette, and the names of them are actually on this side, so I'm gonna flip it like this. So what I went around my eyes with is I packed on this really super nice cream gold piece color, and then I went to copper calico. So I packed that all on my lid just to make it really stand out and make my eyes look bigger. And then in the crease, I took this nice, beautiful cafe color. That's brown cafe, and I put that right in my crease. And then up top here, I put right under my brow some more of the copper calico, and then I also put pink deco. And I'm going to tell you also, I did not just straight up put eyeshadow on my eyes. I did mix it with something, so I'm going to show you what I mixed it with here. Blush, this blush palette. These are cream blushes, and they are literally amazing. This is their blush palette. They are so high definition. They pick up really nicely. I think you can see my blush is really popping. And I just want to take a second here to compare it to my e.l.f. product with my cream blush here. I'm going to open this palette up. You can see here, these blushes are so beautiful. I'm just going to take this color that I used here, I used it on my eyes, and I also blended it on my cheeks. I went all the way up here and kind of contoured it around here, and then I highlighted here, as you guys can see probably. But look how pigmented that blush is. Like I did not have to use a lot of it. Now I'm gonna just do one roll of the e.l.f. It's super sheer, right? And I mean, this is a different color, so there is that, obviously. But for me to get the pigment that I want, I have to run over my hand like multiple times to even get up to that pigment where it's really gonna pop. And like I said, I used this blush, the cream blush up here, and blended it in with the eyeshadow. And then I took it around where I would normally apply my blush. And this is all the blush here, applied with just one stroke from the Graftobian palette, except for that big chunk in the middle, which was multiple. You guys saw me do multiple swipes of the e.l.f. product. So in the long run, you're using more product. In the long run, you may be paying less for this product, but you're gonna use more, and it's also gonna clog up your pores more. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys the Graftobian bronzer here. It's a very nice palette, and it even comes with a little brush that is a fan brush underneath, which is really nice. I have the Vitali Shimmer Bronzer, which is in Fair, and all I do with my bronzer is I take it down, I kind of brush over my contouring, I take it here, up through by my hairline, and then down around my neck to kind of make me not look like I'm wearing a mask. So, comparing this to my old e.l.f. product, it's kind of crazy, like apples to oranges. With this product, when I pick it up with my brush and I brush it on my face, it sticks. It also doesn't blend well. It ends up looking very clumpy, and it also made, whenever I would wear too much of this bronzer, long story short, whenever I wear too much of this bronzer, I look like I'm sweating on camera. And so I've had to then tamp it down with powders and make myself not look like I'm a sweaty mess. This, obviously, you guys can see right now, I'm getting a nice lustery look here. It's a very shiny, beautiful texture and a nice finish here, but it's not making me look like I'm sweating. And I just worked out at the gym, so. Next, I have this glitter spray. Now, this glitter spray, I didn't put it on me here, but you can put it in your hair, you can put it on your skin. I wanna show you how much it will pick up on camera. So I just used two different types of the Graftobian glitters for the body on my chest area, just my chest area. And what I did was I sprayed this, and then I also topped it off with a little bit of their opal, what is this called here? And then I topped it off with a little bit of their opal glitter gel. So you can see right here that it is very shimmery. It's picking up really, really nicely on my camera, even with the lights hitting me from the front. So in ballet world, maybe not so many people are going to put glitter all over them when they're on stage. I don't know, if you want body glitter, you know, great. But I do know in the dance competition world, I was always looking for glitter that stayed and didn't fly off of me everywhere. Because I can't tell you how many times I would go to like glitter myself, and then I would put hairspray on top of it to make sure that that glitter didn't come off. I also got this glitter liquid too, and look, it's like purpley here. It's really cool. I did put a little bit in the crease of my eye here just to kind of like give it a little more shimmer, but I didn't really go crazy with the glitter on the eyes for this look because Aurora is more soft and feminine, and she's like 16 to 21, I think, in most of the ballets, so she's not gonna be like boom. All right, the lip palette. I'm kind of obsessed with lipstick. I love lipstick. I don't even have good lips, but I love lipstick. So let's go back to this palette because this palette's awesome. Look at all the colors. There are so many colors, so pretty. I actually haven't played around with this red yet. I'm so excited to because I'm gonna do like a Queen of Hearts look, and that red is so pigmented. It is so beautiful. The other thing is I didn't have to use a lot of this color to create this color on my lips, okay? So this is pretty, the color that's on my lips is not just one straight up color. I kind of blended multiple together. So first, when I went on my lips, I went around with that one right there, and that one is upside down, and So I went around my lips with this one first, like a liner, then I put this one in second, and then that one in third. So I kind of made a mixture of the top 3 ones right there, and then that created these lips. Now I know that sometimes, you know, you're always required to use, there are a good amount of companies who are like, hey, you gotta do red lips all the time, but you could do some really fun things with red lips, and I will show you guys them on my makeup page. So guess what? I'm also gonna be starting a makeup page for dancers to learn techniques on how to put on really professional looking stage makeup and not look like a mud face. If you wanna follow me on my new Instagram, then make sure you go to this Instagram here, and I'll also throw a link in the description below. So just a little background on Graftobian that I didn't know about was this makeup line is used by TV shows, celebrities, movies, award-winning makeup pros, which is super cool. And I honestly have been wearing this makeup every day since I got this haul, and my face has never felt better. I'm throwing out all of my old products that were drugstore or just bought at higher end makeup stores. I'm getting rid of all of that stuff because I'm no longer gonna wear it. I'm really excited to share more makeup tutorials with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my makeup haul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be putting out some new tutorials and information on how to keep your skin clear and beautiful and pop on stage.